story. This is a tutorial for a method developed by Pi Corbett in the United Kingdom for talk for writing. And what we'll be doing is using a lot of TPR, gestures and pictures to learn a story. It can be used for any story, but today we'll be using The Tiger Who Came to Tea. So, the first step is the children are going to learn the story by repeating after you, okay? So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Wonderful. So, repeat after me. Once
There was
a little girl called Sophie. She was having tea.
She was having tea
with her mummy. In the kitchen. Well done. And we can repeat this until they have internalised it. The next step is to draw a story map alongside this. So, once, what can we draw for once? What do you think?
The one?
A one, yeah. It's important here that there's no words, it's just pictures. So you can associate the pictures with the words. Once there was a little girl. Shall we draw a little girl?
Okay.
Yeah, a little girl. Okay. A little girl. She's called Sophie. She was having tea with She was having tea. Tea with her mummy in the kitchen. What can we draw for kitchen?
Fridge.
A fridge.
Yeah.
A stove.
Counter.
A frying pan.
A frying pan. Let's go with a frying pan. Okay. In the kitchen. Okay. So, we're going to repeat again, but this time I'm not going to say the words. I'm going to point to the picture and you're going to say the words. Okay? So, are you ready? Let's go.
Once
with the action.
Once there was a little girl called Sophie.
She was having
Tea with her mummy in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. In the kitchen. Well done. And you continue with this until they've internalised it with your help. You can do the gestures and they say the word and vice versa. You can also have the children draw their own story map, because when you're asking for ideas to draw the collective story map, there's lots and lots of different ideas. You can then have the children draw their own story map using their own pictures, with the aim of that the story will become a performance, so it'll be something that is meaningful for them. Okay, so now we're going to play some games. The first one we're going to do is we're going to do it in a circle, okay? And each person will say one word, okay? So I'll begin. There
was
a
Little
girl
called
Sophie. She was
having
tea
with
her
mommy
in
the
kitchen. And then you can continue going faster and faster and faster. Now, another one is to put children into pairs. So Olivia and Maya, would you like to work together?
Yeah, sure.
To demonstrate. And this is story tennis. So, Olivia, you'll start with one word, and Maya, you continue, this time as fast as possible.
Once there was a little girl called Sophie. She
Was
having tea with her mommy in the kitchen.
well done!
Nice.
And then as a class, you can also do it really fast or really slow. So let's practice as fast as we can. This one is maybe a little bit later, once the pattern is internalised, so the children know what they're saying and they can say it really quickly. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Once there was a little girl called Sophie who was emptying the kitchen with her mummy. This one always has lots of laughter. Try and encourage the children to do the gestures at the same time as well, because it's quite funny. Okay, and another one that they quite like is in a silly voice. So we're going to do it repeating after me, and you can repeat in whatever silly voice that you like. This time, rather than just words, we're going to use phrases. Okay, so once there was a little girl. Called Sophie.
Called Sophie.
She was having tea.
She was having tea.
With her mummy.
With her mummy.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Well done. So it continues like that, and you can continue with this method as long as you want until the children have internalised the story, and then move on to the next phase of the lesson plan. Have fun with it. It's great fun. Goodbye.